Okay, so here's my loop antenna that Oscar helped me with. Right, Oscar? It's an AM loop antenna that uses these coil windings. I use magnet wire. There's 15 turns of that, the green magnet wire. I think it's 26 gauge, and then I use the other copper as a sensing wire that goes on the outside loop. And the copper sensing wire goes directly to the radio, right there. And then the inner wires go into this variable capacitor. So all you do is you tune the antenna to the frequency you want to listen to. And I've got it kind of alligator clipped together because I literally just got this capacitor from the mailman and put it on the circuit to try it out. So here's 1420. It's a station. It's about, I don't know, 25 miles from here. Turn the volume up on it a little bit. And then I put an alligator clip where the knob normally goes, so I don't inductively connect to the circuit like that. Keep that away from there. Now watch what happens if I get out of the shot. Signal strength.
Book entitled "The Middle Class Weapon of Self-Defense," absolutely free. All you got to do is call 800-289-2646. 800-289-2646. Wayne and I agree, owning physical gold and silver is wealth insurance, period.
There it went. Tune it back.
Free by calling 800-289-2646. Write it down, 800.
Same happens if you turn the loop perpendicular to the station.
Every business tries to stretch the dollar, and at Dow Building Services, not only do they understand it, they can help you.
You can use that to null out
Building Services is proud to introduce custom
stations that you don't want to hear.
Custom budget cleaning from Dow. You tell them your cleaning budget, and they custom design the plan based on your budget. They offer total building maintenance, and now with custom budget cleaning, they can do as much.
You want to point the ends of the loop toward the station you want to hear, or keep the flat side of the loop toward the station that you don't want to hear. If you got one right next door that's causing problems, you can actually null that station out and still be able to pick up the station you want to hear. Now, one thing I'm going to do, this variable cap only goes down to about 800 kilocycles. So one thing you can do, and I saw this online, I put a switch here on this plate where I'm going to have the knob over here on the other side. But you can put a switch there and put a fixed capacitor in parallel with the variable, and that'll give you a little more bandwidth down on the lower end of the dial. So I'm going to try that out. I've ordered a few of them. I had to order the variable cap from eBay, 365 picofarad variable capacitor. And then I had to order the fixed capacitors. I got a 300 and a couple of 200s and a 100 and a couple of 50s. I'm just going to mess around with them until I find the values I want. Just keep them in my toolbox. But you're not going to find these at Radio Shack. Radio Shack's basically worthless unless you're wanting a cell phone. But you can find most of the things you need on Mouser Electronics. I think it's Mouser.com. And then the variable cap, you have to order off of eBay. These aren't really sold retail anymore because most AM radios, if they're AM at all, look like this, and they don't have those anymore. So that's basically it. That tunes the inner 15 turns to resonance according to what frequency you want to listen to. Then the outer loop, the copper one, goes directly to the radio. One end goes to tip, one goes to ground. Simple. So once I get that fixed capacitor in, or capacitors, I'll add those to get the variable cap mounted properly, get it all soldered in where it looks nice, and I'll do a follow-up video with the results. But I think I'm going to dig it, and it's going to work good on my antique radios. I think Oscar will like it. You think that's cool? All right. So until then, be listening to some quality AM broadcasts. Maybe I can hear WSM once I get the added capacitors in there. So anyway, keep it real, keep it groovy, keep it real groovy, and we'll see you next time.